Swinburne University of Technology.
My name is Professor John Wilson. I'm Deputy Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Industrial Sciences, and I'm also the Director for the Centre for Sustainable Infrastructure.
I'm Riyad Al-Mahidi. I am Professor of Structural Engineering and the Director of the Smart Structures Laboratory.
The title of this lab is the Smart Structures Laboratory, and it's a large facility. It's got a floor plan of 20 metres long, 8 metres wide, and it's got these unique reaction walls in one of the corners, 5 metres high. And with that, we can actually test a number of specimens. We can actually load those specimens up and test them to destruction. We can proof test items for industry as well. And we've basically got a number of very, very large actuators, and actuators like hydraulic jacks. And they range in capacity from 10 tonnes to 200 tonnes. Swinburne University of Technology, when they were planning this new Advanced Technology Centre, wanted a landmark laboratory on the ground floor, and they wanted that to be highly visible to the public.
What this advanced testing technology does is that it saves a lot on testing big real structures. And instead, we test smaller components or less some components of the structures that are critical, and the rest of the structure is sitting all on the computer.
So some of the projects we've got going on right now, one of the early testings we're doing is for the offshore industry, looking at fatigue on large chains for ships. We've got other projects happening, and that's looking at carbon strengthening of materials. And that's the sort of technology that's been recently used on the Westgate Bridge. We always at Swinburne pride ourselves on producing graduates which are pretty much industry ready, and we pride ourselves on doing research which is quite applied, and it's got a lot of industry outcomes. And this laboratory gives us that facility to create a lot more testing for industry. And many of those tests lead on to quite good applied research projects as well for our students.
Students do look for world-class facilities in order to conduct state-of-the-art research that is very much in the area of, like to address environmental issues, to address sustainable development of structures, sustainable development of transport infrastructure, and so on. So yes, this is going to attract top students from around the world. We already have got a number of students who have arrived to use this facility for that purpose.
It's absolutely world-class facility, this one. It's real state-of-the-art. It's a $15 million facility, great investment from the university, and we've also gone into collaboration with 11 other universities around the country to have some shared equipment so that we can do some state-of-the-art testing here, but also provides access for other universities to come and collaborate with us here as well.
This has been a Swinburne production.